The coronavirus. The coronavirus. Are you kidding me? That's a distraction, young people. Look at this. I'm making money while you're focusing on a virus. I am buying a Rolls Royce. While you're focused on an airborne disease that you think is going to affect you, while you're wearing a mask, I'm getting paid. Listen, the coronavirus right now is making me a bunch of money. Let me tell you why. I'm gonna let you go to click the link below. Check it out. Because all of you are spending time on something that the media has publicized. And while they're distracting you, who's focusing on your dreams? Who's focusing on success? Who's focusing on the goals? While your mind is thinking about what may happen to you, I'm getting paid. Let me show you something in the link below, how to get paid right now. Let's go. Come here, come here, stop. Motivated, dedicated, let's go.